Hey guys, this is Olem777. I'm doing a new video here, and it's a new video, and it's called the house building. I'm building the house. I'm building the how I want my house to look like in the future. So I have been breaking the roofs a little bit in the village because I'm breaking the village and jumping roof to roof, but I'm not good at parkour. So I'm going to go back to my home thing. I captured one there. Okay, I'm going back to my house. I'm going to live like this. And I hope it will get nice. And I'm really sure that it will get nice. And it's going to be a hose. Huh? I do a hose. I know. I hope it's going to get super big. I'm not certainly down here. I think I'm going to keep on building the downer side. Right in this room. In my room. And here. Okay, I'm not done with it. Down. I don't Oh my God, this is beautiful. I know that I'm creative and I could have full armor, but I don't want just yet. Nope. I need regular wood. Oh. Down here are going to be super much redstone and much like that. So I'm hoping it's going to be cool down here. And I hope I can get 35 likes in this video. And I hope it will. I hope it will get something 5,000 or something. That will beat my my own record in likes, but it'll be still incredible beating our own record in likes. So I'm going to go for 30 or 5,000. And I hope you spread the say to my friends about my video making and everything like that, because I really want that really many people are going to watch, and yeah. And I hope it would be nice. Okay, yeah. Hope that will work. Nope. Nice. Got a little bathroom. And I'm going to make a what? A glass bar. I don't like glass bars. Do you know why I don't like glass bars? I don't know why I like glass bars. Does that make any sense actually? It doesn't. So I just don't like them. How that will work? Okay. I would really hope that my shower that they didn't happen. Okay. Just building my little shower. No. Not like that. Huh? I think it was going to be big. Glass panes. Why is it called glass panes? Not happens with my bath. My shower. I got a perfect shower. Oh. Oh.
How close is it to the nose?
Oh.
Can't it run out?
No,
What?
I can't.
What?
I can't run out.
Why? Look up, bro. Shut up.
I'm stuck up here. No.
You like the shower?
Watch this. I'm stuck in there.
Are you sure one of the videos?
Yes, it is. This is my video.
I hope I haven't taken all the slush. I don't want
Do you have slush?
Yeah.
I'm kidding. I do also have slush.
Oh, good. You there slush too.
I know.
It's not good.
Yeah, it is. It's
Joking.
the best slush in the world. No, then.
And we decided to buy it on the bowling.
Yeah. Do you want to join me?
Yeah.
So
Let's
join
sing the
me.
starter of the battery.
Then.
I don't know, it's not.
Oh.
It's only 2 now.
Ah.
And I give him 2 notes.
Okay. Log in again then. You can't.
Why?
I guess I haven't done it. Okay.
Can I log in now?
Yeah.
Can I log in now? Thanks.
What? No. I have to go like that.
I have to get a notified now.
I think so.
Yes, that's what I was talking about.
Did it?
No, it failed.
Ah. Guys, I'm just going to check which film it is and I'm going to get started again.
Damn film.
Sorry. Mom. Okay. Let's go up and out. And let's fix on my house. First thing I have to do, I'm making the walls down. It's super important. And it's not going to be in England. There. Okay. Okay. Hoped you could join me. I tried to start his computer now, so I'm just messing around there. Doesn't work. I hate having bats in my lovely count bugs. Bugs. Gumbadi, yumbadi, boomadi, somebody, gumbadi, gumbadi, humbadi, humbadi, wombadi. Yeah. Gumbly, gumbly, gumba, gumba, gumbly, gumba, gumba. Okay. I didn't like that song. Gumbly, gumba, gumba, gumbly, gumba, gumba. Does it make sense? Gumbly, gumba, gumba. Does that make sense? Nope, it doesn't. Bow, bow. Hey. Oh, ouch. Ow. Ow. It wasn't my meaning that I was going to slap that in my face. You little computer. Am I going to go like this the whole way around? At first, I'm going to do that this side. Not like that, not like that.